What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I will show you how does trip.com flight booking actually work. So if you're wondering how does a booking or a flight here that you got from trip.com actually work. Now the thing with trip.com here is a platform that allows you to book flights or even book like trains, cars, attraction or tours or even hotels and homes here. But if you're wondering how does it work for flights, well this one is fairly easy. So first is you want to go to trip.com here, or you want to open up the mobile app for it. So in my case, I'm accessing it via my browser. Now from here, you want to go to flight since we want to book some flight, and you want to go and specify a few things. Now you have round trip here, one way and multi-city. Now the thing with round trip here is you'll be returning from where you came from. Now one way, you'll be going one way, so meaning you'll be going to that place and staying indefinitely. Now you also have multi-city here. In this case, you'll be stopping to multiple city or multiple destinations. Now in my case, maybe I want to use or book a round trip here, which is the common type of flight that you might be booking here on trip.com. So first, you want to specify where you're living from. So in this case, you want to specify the location. So for example, I'm from Manila. Let's go and choose this one. Now, for example, for the going to section, I'm going to a very specific section, country or location. Let's just say I'm going to Seoul. Now from here, you could specify which date you want to fly here. So if you click on it, you should be able to choose to fly. So in this case, for example, you'll be flying on the April 22 to April 4 here. But obviously, you can increase this by clicking on the following dates here. As you can see, you could specify the start date and the end date here, as you can see right now. Now, also you could choose how many people are going to be on the flight. Like for example, you can increase the number of adults, or children, or infants on that here. So go ahead and just specify that. But once you've done that, let's go and click on search. Now, on the next page here, what you need to do is you just need to choose the flight that you want to get. Now, first it's going to ask you the departing to Seoul. So the flight going from Manila to Seoul. So you can go and just click on the appropriate flight here. So for example, we have this one, so they have different prices or price point here. You can go ahead and click on it, select on it, or if you want to learn more about it, you could just basically click on select here, so that should show you. But yeah, now also it's now going to ask you to the flight for returning to Manila. So returning to Manila, which in this case it's from Seoul to Manila, so you can go and specify that. You can go and expand this one. So if you have that, you can go and click on the expand here, and you should be able to see further details about it, like economy class here, and also what's included in that specific flight. Like for example, check baggage of 20 kilogram here, carry-on baggage of 7 kilogram carry-on baggage. But yeah. So for example, I want to use like one for Philippine Airlines again. Let's go and expand this one. And you can go and just select whichever you want to use. They have premium economy here depending on the flight itself, but let's go click continue with this one. But once you've done that and choosing your flight, it's going to actually allow you to review your flight info. So in this case, you just need to fill out some information like the passenger details, the gender ID, and a lot more. Now you can also add like further details like first-time compensations and also like add-ons on it if you want. But yeah, basically moving forward in here, you just need to provide all the details. And by the way, when you're filling out the details here, make sure that all your details like your name and also the date of birth, nationality are exactly on your passport. Not any wrong spellings or incorrect details here versus your passport will actually lead you being off-boarded, or they will not allow you to board the plane. So just make sure all details that you'll be providing here are correct. But yeah, so once you've done that, just fill out the necessary details. That includes the add-ons, where you're going to sit, and also just finalizing the payment here. So just providing your payment details or your card here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.